Okay. All right. All right. So this is the 3.4 liter V6 engine that we have built for the Comanche.
And I'm still getting the engine test stand electrical stuff kind of sorted out.
I can't seem to get spark from the coil to the distributor.
But that doesn't mean that I can't still have fun doing engine stuff.
Now, everything is all put together.
And I get nervous thinking to myself, oh, well, what if some engine part dries out?
And the oil goes away. Well, you can actually run the oil pump using this.
And you just, if you look down here,
You see the, like in the hole, like all straight down. That little white dot, that is the top of the rod that drives the gear. And that your distributor, as it goes down the hole, it fits over that. So your distributor will drive off the camshaft and it'll drive your oil pump, and then it also tells your spark where to go. So if you wanted to do something like this, you create a fancy tool like this.
using electrical tape.
I think that's a 1/4 inch bit and an extension. And that. Very, very fancy. We do things very, very fancy in this backyard.
But that essentially just goes down on top of that, and then I can sit here and run that.
Okay. Now, you don't really get much velocity if you run it by hand, so you get a drill.
And if you look right here, you can see it oil coming out of that there. Put it back down there. So
While you're, like, in my situation, trying to figure out how to get spark, you can actually run your oil pump like this and make sure that oil gets all throughout the engine.
which is kind of nice. I don't think I'll get it up on the upper end. I think I just kind of lubricate the lifters, which is really what I'm really concerned about, because I don't want the new camshaft that I have to get, unlubricated as I try to crank it over and over again without spark. Ugh. So we'll see if we can get it sparking here soon. But the reason why you put the electrical tape on there is because you don't want your drill bit, or not your drill bit, you don't want your socket to fall down inside of the engine. So you have to kind of electrical tape it all together. And everyone say thanks to my wife, and she's done, so she can go continue cooking the taco meat that we will eat tonight.
Thanks.
Yay.
You're welcome.
Bye.